Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick demonstration where I'll be showing you how to complete a mechanical, electric, or plumbing takeoff within Togal.AI. When I jump into my project, the first thing I want to do is get to know what's required of me and what this project is calling for, and I can do that by interacting with all of these documents through this Toggle Chat button. When I click Toggle Chat, I can choose to ask the entire project questions like, provide a scope of work for this entire project as it pertains to a mechanical, electrical, or a plumbing contractor, as you can see here. Now, Togal has broken down all that information for me in this neat answer and provided a hyperlink to where I can find that information in these documents. Just like any language-based AI model, this is all about how you prompt the question and the accuracy of where it's pulling this information from. In this case, Togal is only pulling from your documents, so you can reliably expect a specific answer based on your prompt. When I'm done gathering all that information, I can jump right into one of these drawings and start doing my counts. So with Togal, I can use this magnifying glass. This is my search tool to look for images or text on this drawing. In this case, I'll type in SL1, and you can see in the blink of an eye, Togal returns 148 results. I'll show you with another example. Selecting this SL2, you can see we've got 80 results, and I'll also search L4 for good measure. Now, when I'm satisfied with the results, I can choose classification here and create the classification for these quantities to show up on my right side quantities panel and be ready to export when I'm done with my takeoff. Now, just to complete this example, I want to show another example of this text search where I'm working with lighting fixtures that show up across multiple drawings. So what's unique to Togal is I can search across this entire set now, and you can see it returns with a hyperlink saying 147 matches across 8 different drawings. Now I can click that hyperlink and go to each page where these R3s are showing up. When I'm satisfied with those results, of course, I can create the classification for all of these R3s across the entire drawing. I'll jump over to a plumbing plan to show a similar example when counting images. So if I'm looking for something like this fixture, I can use the image search tool to highlight the image and let Togal do the work. You can see it returns 11 results, which I can then turn into a classification. I cannot search across the set with an image just yet in Togal.AI. Another limitation is that all linear measurements are going to have to be done manually within Togal.AI because we don't have an AI feature that recognizes pipes, mechanical, or electrical wiring, wiring runs automatically. So I can create a linear classification, call this a pipe, hot water, cold water, whatever it needs to be, and use our slick manual tools to complete those measurements. If you'd like to see a custom demonstration of Togal.AI on your drawings just to see some of the results, please go to our website, schedule a demo, and send us over a set of your drawings. We'd be more than happy to show you. Hope to welcome you to the team sometime soon.